Hello everyone and welcome to my technology test kitchen demonstration. So here is my recipe that I have created for you guys. Our recipe is gobble of Google Earth. So this will be a demonstration for how to use Google Earth on your own personal devices and softwares, and you can use this for a variety of things, and we'll dive right into that. So the ingredients that you're going to need either a laptop, a desktop, or any kind of smart device. That could be an iPad or a phone if it's compatible with Google Chrome. You're also going to need a Wi-Fi connection because our software is Wi-Fi based, and you're going to need Google Chrome. So moving over to our must-knows and tips, Google Chrome is necessary to launch Google Earth because not every version of Safari or Firefox is compatible with Google Earth, so it's best if you can access Google Chrome. And Google Earth is a free software, and it can be used in classrooms or it can be used for individual use and interests. Who is it for? It's for anyone wanting to digitally explore the world without the constraints of a budget to actually travel or the time to actually travel. And it's great for virtual tours or for classrooms, and this is really important right now. A lot of classrooms can be using this with the corona outbreak and not being able to travel. This is a really good substitute. So let's get started. Our instructions, step 1 is to open and turn on your laptop, desktop, or smart device that you have intended to use. So we've already done that, hopefully, if you're watching this. And then we're going to go ahead and launch Google Chrome. So this is the icon that Google Chrome should look like. And we're just going to go ahead following our instructions to step 2. So we're going to open up Earth. Now that you have found your way to Google Chrome, we're going to go on to Google Earth. That was part of step 1. And you're just going to go ahead and click Google Earth. And then going back to our instructions, now that you've found Google Earth on Chrome, just go ahead and click Launch Earth. Now that while it's launching, let's go ahead and read the instructions. Said you will be guided through the tutorial as prompted. It may not prompt me as I've already used Google Earth, but let's see what pops up. It's just step-by-step instructions. You just click through. That will show you features if it does prompt you. Okay, so it's not going and showing me the prompts just because I've already found it, but those are pretty self-explanatory. So the next step is exploration. Search for any random or desired location or landmark to explore. Explore the location or landmark with the available tools such as zoom, random selection, street view, 3D view. To learn more of the selected area, use the knowledge cards to discover and explore landmarks. Take part in a pre-designed tour with the Voyage feature about different parts of the world. Okay, so let's just show you around the whole of Google Earth. So let's maximize this. Here is all the different tools that I was talking about. So search, this just search any location. So I'm going to do the Eiffel Tower. Go ahead and click it, and that will take me to the Eiffel Tower. Okay, now that we've landed in the Eiffel Tower, this is just giving me an overview. I can go ahead here and click in, and hopefully it will take me, okay, never mind. So the Eiffel Tower, this is those information cards that you can click through. This will give you more information specifically just about that landmark. It's a wrought iron lattice tower, the height, the construction, when it was founded, architectures, gives you more in-detailed map and the hours and even contact information. Okay, so now that I'm at my location, I'm going to go ahead and close that, and I'm going to close this card because we've already done that. I can click for the 3D view, and I can see the Eiffel Tower. I can do street view. I can zoom in, and I can move all around it. And you can turn it this way too. Oh, just kidding, don't do that. Okay, but then you have the Voyager features too. This will take you through predetermined tours, so you can learn about specific things. So if I want to learn about Japan, then it will take me through a designated tour that they've already created that will take you through different landmarks in Japan that you would want to learn about. And again, you can click through them, and these are all the ones picked through that they've already determined for you. So it tells you about it. There's a little table of contents here. These are all the predetermined locations that the tour will take you on. So that's the Voyager feature. This I'm Feeling Lucky button is a random location it will give you. So it will just select anywhere in the world. You can do it as many times as you would like, and it takes you to a random location. So this has selected Nevis or Nevis. It's a village. Oops. I'm having some technical difficulties. That's okay. And it will just give you random locations. So let's do it again. So now we're going to Germany. We were in the Middle East before. Okay, so it just gives you those kind of things that you can look around. Projects are kind of what you would use to create for your classrooms. And then this is just how you prefer to see it, without borders or labels. And then this, you can measure distances between places. So say I want to measure how far that is. You can go ahead and do that too. So hopefully this tutorial gave you a little bit about more insight to using Google Earth, and you'll be able to use it for your desired intentions and however you want to use it moving forward. Thanks for tuning in.